Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a formula into your Excel sheet. Let's get started. First of all, select a cell. Enter the equal sign. Type in your formula. Press the Enter key. The result will display in the cell and the formula will appear in the formula bar. You can edit the formula by using the formula bar. Excel supports all the main math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can include a cell in a formula by referencing it directly or by pointing to it while editing the formula. Finally, when you change a cell that's included in a formula, all dependent formulas will update accordingly. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.